Please share this video so that the police in Jamaica find this madman before he killed somebody.
Take time. One out, alright, cool it down. Take time out, that's on a pussy. What you do, brother? Take time. Yo, take time out, that's your brother, bread. Come on. Take time out, that's your bread. Watch out. Watch out, lick off the bar now. Bumbo clad bread. Bread.
Trouble Turn Up TV. The struggle is real. Welcome back to Trouble Turn Up TV. Yes, the place where facts drop fast, stories shake the nation, and nothing slide past we. You don't know. Big up to all my viewers, big up to my subscribers. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and jump to the comment section. Yes, man, you don't know. Tonight, the Trouble Turn Up TV turn up extra up. You don't know, so we lock in. Stay tuned. You don't know. Let's go straight to the facts or to the story. You don't know. Blessings. Yes, my people, take a look on the screen. Look at this video right here. Look at the colors of the buses. Look at the people hanging out of the windows on these two buses. Reckless driving. No remorse for people's life.
A few moments later.
There is a saying, what sweet nanny goat, I go run them belly. Hi boy.
So there was a viral video that shows these two vehicles being involved in a careless and dangerous driving situation in Portmore. We have these two vehicles in custody right now, and we are in the process of administering charges to the drivers, and we have noted some issues with the vehicles wherein the owners are going to be held responsible as well. But the key thing is that the manner of driving and behavior displayed by drivers and conductors of these buses was very outrageous. In fact, we are very appalled to know that these persons who are supposed to be the guardian of the lives of persons, to include children and elderly, were behaving in the manner that they were actually doing. We have to be responsible. Since the start of 2025, we have lost over 300 persons on our roads because of road traffic crashes, and many more persons have been injured and are suffering. In fact, we have properties that have been damaged, and so our health system as well as our employment system is severely affected. But more importantly, we continue to see driving of this particular manner that are taking the lives of persons needlessly. And in some instances, the persons who are behaving and perpetrating these kinds of bad driving, they are sometimes not the ones who are suffering. Let us be far more responsible. We are intent as a police force to rid the roads of these kinds of practices. And we will do all that is possible legally to ensure that persons who behave in similar manner, that they lose their driver's license, either to suspension or revocation. We will continue to be out there on the roads, and we will continue to use the Jamaica Eye system to detect and prosecute drivers who behave in this manner. We want to thank those responsible persons in the public who see these poor and dangerous behaviors to continue to send the videos and the photographs to indicate to us what is happening. We will continue to do our best to try and ensure that our roadways are safe.
Yes, officer, bless upon yourself. Yes, I some love wanting to find them quick and fast. People's lives are important. Yeah, man, crazy driver on the road. Sometimes I wonder if these drivers in Jamaica buy their license. So many innocent lives have been lost. This is not acceptable. These type of driving must stop, And I am so happy that these two bus drivers are off the road. And please charge them to the max. Yeah, man. Teach them a lesson. Set an example. Yeah, man. Blessings. So, this picture on the screen right here, you may be wondering why I have this picture right here. Now, in order to see what exactly going on, I want you to look at this video. And to the police officers out there, anyone that know this young man here, I am asking, I am pleading to the public and to the Jamaican police force, please locate this gentleman right here immediately and charge him. This is not acceptable in Jamaica or on the street of Jamaica. This young man need to be charged. This is reckless, senseless, and unlawful behavior. Must stop. Look at this, officer. Please locate this gentleman right here and charge him to the max. The road of Jamaica is not a plaything. People's lives are important. And if you are not a responsible driver, please don't go on the street of Jamaica.
Please share this video so that the police in Jamaica find this madman before he killed somebody.
Take time. One out. Alright, cool it down. Take time out there, son of pussy. Where you are, you brother? Take time. Yo, take time out there. Your bread and bread. Come on. Take time out there, son bread. Watch out. Watch out. Lick off the bar now. Bumbo clad bread. Bread, take time. Take watch. Take watch out. Bad man in the pit. Here! Watch it, kid! Bumbo rascal bread. Watch out, take time round now, so watch out, take time. One out, alright, cool it down. Take time out there, son of pussy. Where you are, you brother? Take time. Yo, take time out there. Your bread and bread. Come on. Take time out there, so bread. Watch out. Watch out, lick off the bar now. Bumbo clad bread. Bread, take time. Take, watch out, bad man in the pit. Bumbo clad, straight over the pit to fly now, bread. Got turn up it through them. Bumbo, he lick, you know. Take time, go on, don't let you bad road.
Please share this video so that the police in Jamaica find this madman before he killed somebody.
Trouble Turn Up TV. The struggle is real.